So I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for a special moment between the fox and the girl. So if you zoom in, and if they're hugging, right, we have to just go, oh. Come on. V. No, we have to wait around. Why do we have to wait around? Because the fox is going to hug this girl, I think. Or I think maybe he's going with this girl, maybe. Because if they hug, right, we have to like get it on videotape, right? And we have to go, oh.
See ya.
Peace, man.
Oh God, Tony's ruining it.
Tony ruined the shot. Yeah. You're a big man and you're scary. Wow, man, she can dance, huh?
Yeah, she can.
Yeah, Tony's good. Okay, hold on. Oh, damn it! Stop! Damn it! Hug her! Hug her! God damn it! The fox! The fox! Yeah, the fox! You all like
Cloverfield.
Hug him! Oh!
Fuck you!
Yeah!
Fuck you!
Yeah! That's cute. Not gay. What? Have you fox for 1 moment? Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, I got AIDS. Congratulations.
Oh, yeah.
My car is there, so.
Dex, quick, run!
Oh my God, I'm kissing myself.
I don't know what this muzzle's been.
We don't want to know. Dirty place. I'm a dirty fox.
Wait. I don't know where this muzzle's been at all.